Hello and welcome, students! Today's lesson is about the use of who, whom, and whose. By the end of this video, you will be able to use these interrogative pronouns correctly. First, to understand how to use who, whom, and whose in interrogative sentences, you have to differentiate between subjects, objects, and possessive forms. Let's remember together. Subjects do an action, as in, he is solving his homework. He is a subject doing an action. Objects receive an action, like we wrote a paragraph. What did we write? A paragraph. It received the action. And possessive forms tell the person something belongs to. As in, this is her pencil. Her pencil is a possessive form, telling us that this pencil belongs to her. Now you have to know that each interrogative pronoun acts differently in a sentence. Who is a subject pronoun, whom is an object pronoun, and whose is a possessive pronoun. Who is used to specify which person did the action. In other words, we use it to know the subject of the sentence. For example, Honor is reading a book. Who is reading a book? Honor, since it is the subject of the sentence. Whom? It is used to indicate the person who received an action. It answers the object of the sentence. For example, Miss Sophie is teaching Jack. Whom is Miss Sophie teaching? Jack. It is the object of the sentence. He is receiving the action. Whose? Whose is used to declare to whom something belongs. For example, these books on the shelf are mine. Whose are these books on the shelf? Mine. It is the possessive form or pronoun telling that the books belong to me. What are the pronouns of each who, whom, and whose? The pronouns of who are I, he, she, it, and they. The pronouns of whom are me, him, her, them. And finally, the pronouns of whose are my or mine, your or yours, his, her or hers, our or ours, their or theirs. Everything clear till now? Let's see. Here's an exercise that will help you be more familiar in using these pronouns. Use the suitable interrogative pronoun. First one. Bowl is this. Which one should we use? We are obviously asking about the owner of this bowl. So, we use the possessive pronoun, whose. Whose bowl is this? Now try to solve the rest alone. Then you may check your answers in the next slide. That's all for today. Thank you for your time.